Righty, you lot. So we are doing hip thrust on the Booty Builder machine, okay? There's lots of different variations of this machine, but they're all gonna have the same baseline concept, okay? So, to begin with, setup's really important. Some machines, you can adjust the back, the height of the seat, where the cable is. This one's got it all. Now, you want to find somewhere where you're not overextended, okay? You're nice, you feel natural, okay? Your legs aren't stretching, you feel natural. And then for the cable positioning, all right, when you're at your full movement, you want this to be as in a straight line. You don't want it on a big angle. You obviously want to just be thrusting with the weight pulling directly down. But it's going to be a little bit on an angle for everybody. So, starting up, obviously, buckle in. Now some of these will have a pad, some don't. It'll just help if it hurts your, groin area a bit. Now, starting up, we're going to put our feet quite high because we're trying to actually bias our hammies a little bit as well. You're naturally going to work your glutes also. So I set my feet quite high. I'll set it up, drive through. Okay, now, to begin with, feet are set about shoulder width apart, toes slightly angled out. Now you're pushing through your heels, not through your toes, okay? You're pushing through the bottom of your foot. So that's where the drive's going. Now, holding your hands on this pad. Now notice this, I'm just rolled, but at the moment, that's you want to flare your chest. So shoulders pinned back, and you're pinned on here, right? Your lats are sitting on the top, your chest is nice and flared. Now this is your starting point. Now, you're just pivoting down, come all the way depth, and driving through. Now notice this movement, I'm actually just pivoting where my back is on the seat. Now what a lot of people do wrong, they'll set and they're doing this, right? They're arching, they're thrusting. See my back's bending? You definitely don't want to do that. So you're just pivoting on your back here. So you're pivoting, notice my back's actually staying straight. Squeeze, coming down, squeeze at the top. Chest is staying broad the whole time. Driving through the heels. We're not just bending in the back and thrusting. Number one, that'll fuck your back when you load it up. Number two, that's not the movement we want. It's a hinge movement. It's a hip hinge movement. Okay, so you're hinging in your hips. You're not thrusting with your fucking back. It's quite a simple one. It's an elite movement, especially for the boys, because it's essentially like you're doing an RDL or a 45-degree hip extension. But the most similar one is an RDL. You're obviously just doing it in a lot more stable position. Hip thrust on the Booty Builder machine. Let's fucking get it.